How's it, guys? Amber here from Digital Nomads SA. I just wanted to tell you about a meeting we had this morning. It was conducted with a whole bunch of entrepreneurs and small business owners. And the topic for today was, what is the new norm? And it was quite interesting to hear all the different perspectives and insights. And we each got an opportunity to share our views on what we thought the new norm was. It was so interesting to hear things like church services have gone online, schooling has gone online. There's even a swim class that is being conducted online. Guys, I myself did an online fitness class this morning. It just goes to show that, during this crisis, we've all come together and we've all adapted to make life work. And guys, let me tell you, if you don't think that finance is going the same way, you need to really pay attention to this video. We have been saying for years now that our financial system is going to change, and you need to be prepared and you need to be ready for this. And guys, if church can go online, so can money. And cryptocurrencies are the way of the future. It's not a case of if cryptocurrency becomes the new norm. It's a case of when. So I just want to make sure you guys are ready for this massive change that's about to happen. Guys, what's happened to us here in South Africa, we are not going to come out okay on the other side. Our economy is not strong enough to handle these changes that have happened. I mean, think about it, guys. This pandemic has taught us two things. Number one, job security is a complete illusion. And number two, the way we've been doing money up until now is also a complete illusion. So think about it. People with these successful, booming businesses went to bed on Thursday night and they woke up on Friday and they were either jobless or without an income stream. Guys, it happened overnight. The world as we know it changed, and it happened so quickly, it happened overnight. Are you going to be ready for what's coming next in the financial world? Are you making sure you are financially stable? If you are currently earning an income in rands and that is your only form of income, how financially secure are you right now? Guys, for Jacques and I, we have been in the crypto space for the last 3 years now. We've been generating an income online 100% from cryptocurrencies. And we've decided to put this course together to help South Africans enter into the crypto space in a way that's safe and secure. So towards the end of last year, we launched this course completely designed for crypto newbies. So if you have absolutely no idea what's happening in the crypto space, this course is definitely for you then. We show you step by step how to open up your accounts, how to make sure your safety online is top notch so that you're protected. And we also drill into the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, that for the first time ever, you as an individual are in control of your own funds. Never ever does it go to a third party to manage your funds for you. You are in control of your funds the whole time. So guys, this course is available on our website, digitalnomadsa.com, and I will be putting the link to the course just below this video. Go sign up, guys. You need to get yourselves prepared. You need to use this opportunity during lockdown, learn a new skill, help put yourself in a better position for this financial crisis that's about to happen. Guys, cryptocurrencies will eventually become our new norm, and we want to make sure you are prepared. Go ahead, go sign up for our online course. You've got absolutely nothing to lose. Cheers for now, guys.